Hey! Oh man, is that your phone?
No.
Hey, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
We're the Crafty Lumberjacks. Welcome back to Handmade. It's our favorite time of year. And like we always say, leave no area of your home unhaunted.
So today we're tackling our couch and making some whimsical throw pillows using items we found under our bathroom sink.
And what's scarier than that?
True.
For this project, we're going to be using bleach, hydrogen peroxide, and even toilet bowl cleaner.
Now you might not know this, but we test every project before we ever film it, and we were so excited with the outcome when we tried it.
Yes, they came out so good. It almost had like an X-ray vibe.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a skull image on our pillows, and the first thing we're gonna do is draw and cut out a stencil on a piece of contact paper. Now, if you're not the best artist, you could always use clip art as a reference, or you could trace it right onto the contact paper. But a good tip is to not worry about the details because you won't see them in the end.
It looks so good. Now that Andrew cut this out and made such a cute little image, we're going to remove this from the backing and center it on our pillow here.
And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel it off carefully. And if you have a buddy with you, that helps a little bit just because you don't want it to get tangled.
Yeah, you just spent all that time, energy, and effort cutting this out, you know, so you want to be careful with it. And then we're going to center it and place it on our pillow cover here and really press it down. And you can use your fingers to press it down, but we're also going to use a brayer, which will just really help the adhesion kind of stick and also get out any air bubbles or wrinkling.
Yeah, now this isn't gonna give you a perfect image in the end, so don't worry about it. There is gonna be some bleeding, ooh. But this will help it just be as crisp as it can be.
Yeah, and we want a funky pillowcase, you know?
Oh, I know.
We're ready to take this outside and start adding our bleach treatment. We have some bleach in a spray bottle here, and then we also have some hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle here.
And then we have our toilet bowl cleaner here, and a great tip is put the toilet bowl cleaner inside your freezer just for a couple of hours. It's gonna help thicken it just so it's not so runny.
Yes, of course you wanna make sure you work in a well-ventilated space. We're going outside for gloves, protection, whatever you have to do when working with bleach. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray around our image, and we want it to be a little smoky, foggy, misty. And then once we start to see the color shifting and changing, it's going to bring out this bright orange and this beautiful red. We want to neutralize the bleach. So in order to do that, we're going to spray it with the hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, so once you find that color you like, spray it with the hydrogen peroxide,
And it
the
will
bleach
stop
is gonna
the
stop
process.
it. And then we're going to use our toilet bowl cleaner to draw in some details. And then we're gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse, wash, and dry. And now I'm gonna do a rough outline with the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm not going for a crisp look here. I really want it to feel organic and creepy. So I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see. If you see some spots in this, you can also go in with a brush and just help move the liquid around a bit, just to get the perfect look. The coloring looks pretty good. I'm just gonna dab off any extra toilet bowl cleaner before removing our stencil. All right, now it's time for the big reveal. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. I'm gonna touch up some areas that I just want more pronounced that didn't make it, like the teeth. All right, and we're gonna take it inside, give it a rinse, and then we're gonna wash it really well.
Here they are. They look so good. After we rinse them off, we threw them in the washer and the dryer.
Now, you can really see why we call these the X-ray pillows just by looking at them.
Yes,
They're
they almost
so
have
bright.
like a neon effect.
Yeah,
almost.
totally. So for our final step, we're just gonna add a pillow insert.
I'm obsessed. They look so good, and this was such a fun project. They're really whimsical and fun, and that's what Halloween should be all about.
And as you can tell, each pillow comes out so different no matter how many times you try it. It really is an organic craft that has a life of its own.
Yes, we want to know what image you put on your pillow in a comment below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we hope to see you soon. Happy Halloween!